The most exciting day in sports!
It's game time.
With the best recipes.
The best fuel.
And the best grill.
It's time for the big game
At the
recteq.
Hey America, are you ready for the big game? Because I have got a recipe that's gonna knock your socks off. Some delicious hot crab dip. Brought to you by recteq, powered by Kingsford. I'm gonna be using those Kingsford Signature Pellets for that bold, sweet, balanced flavor that's gonna elevate your next big game party. Let's get started. All right, so we got this garlic sliced and chopped. Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our cream cheese. We're gonna add our Worcestershire. We're gonna add our Dijon. We're gonna add our Parmesan Cheese. And then we're gonna go ahead and give this a mix. Just kind of like getting all these ingredients well incorporated. Now, keys to this recipe, you're gonna wanna make sure your cream cheese is soft. Go ahead and pull it out an hour before you go ahead and start this recipe so it's nice and soft. Now we're gonna go ahead and toss in our crab meat, and we're just gonna fold this in. Now, we're gonna go ahead and top it with a little bit of that Dirty Gurl Bloody Mary rub. This stuff is delicious. It has hints of celery salt, Worcestershire powder. It is absolutely delicious. It's looking perfect. Last but not least, we're gonna add our lemon juice. And I like fresh lemon juice. If you could use fresh ingredients, they're gonna be so much better than using that store-bought concentrated stuff. So we're just gonna give it a squeeze using that Kung Fu grip. So now that we have this delicious mixture, we're gonna go ahead and put it straight into our baking dish. All right, we're just gonna smooth this out. It looks delicious. Now I have the RT 590 set at 350 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and slide this crab mixture on the grill. We're gonna let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes till it is GBD, golden brown delicious, and bubbly. So let's go ahead and out to the grill. So we're back, and this crab dip could not smell more amazing. This is gonna be the perfect appetizer for the big game. Don't deny yourself, treat yourself with some of this delicious crab dip. We were burning those Kingsford Signature Pellets to get that bold, sweet, balanced flavor that Kingsford is known for. Delicious, I can't wait to dive in. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of cut chives, just right over the top. I've got some toast points. We're just gonna dig in. Cheers. That's delicious, yeah. Man. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube channel for more awesome, amazing content just like this. Jody, you can't have none of this crab dip.